having done this for almost 15 years now, CRM has always been thought of as a tool, a piece of software, I hear glorified Rolodex, database, whatever. But realistically, if you think about the marketing technology stack that has evolved over the last 5, 6, 7 years, it's not just CRM anymore. CRM doesn't do everything that every firm needs. We're focused on all these different platforms. We've got, starting with websites, and then we've got intranets and extranets, and we've got, experience and proposal and the CRM system and the ERM system and all these different tools. We have to figure out CRM, instead of being a tool, should be a strategy, client relationship management. And you might need a bunch of tools or 2 or 3 tools. You've got email marketing, you've got integrations with your time and billing system, you've got integrations to do experience and to put all that into a proposal and be able to search. And one of the key pieces that has evolved over the last, say, 5 or 6 years is letting the lawyers be lawyers, using the ERM system to help automate as much as we can and minimize the billable effort, because in a law firm, time is money, literally. And if you've got attorneys doing data entry, probably not the highest and best use of their time. So if you can think of other ways to enhance business development, then it's time to start thinking of it as multiple tools and especially as a strategy.